20 IKEA organization product you must-haves. IKEA has a well-deserved reputation for outfitting homes and filling bellies on the cheap, with a dash of Nordic style. IKEA is known worldwide for its inexpensive yet trendy furniture and decorative pieces. Today we are bringing you the top 20 IKEA items that will save your small space living. 1. KLÄMMEMACKA Desk Organizer. This desk organizer with compartments in different sizes resembles an old sewing box. Perfect for all your small things, and since it's made of untreated wood, you can paint it in your favorite color. 2. LUSTIGT Wall Shelf. Here you can display your favorite things and have them change places by using the 3 ladders. You can easily adapt the wall shelf based on needs and available space since the shelf can slide sideways. 3. PINNIG Coat Rack with Shoe Storage Bench. This clever solution is a coat rack, shoe storage, and bench all in one piece. You can sit comfortably while putting on your shoes, and everything is handy when you're in a hurry. 4. TISKEN Basket with Suction Cup. TISKEN series puts things within easy reach without having to drill any holes into your walls. The tight grip suction cups won't let go of smooth surfaces like glass or tiles unless you want them to. 5. KUNGSFORS Wall Rack. Inspired by professionals, but adapted for you. Just like in a restaurant kitchen, we focused on durable materials and smart wall storage that provides the space needed for all creative home cooks. 6. FIXA 114-piece cable management set. The FIXA series has all the tools and equipment you need to get your home just the way you want it. Complement the tools you already have or build a DIY starter kit for all your future projects. 7. MÖJLIGHET Bed Pocket. With this bed pocket, your child can always have their headphones, favorite book, and cell phone close at hand. Fits all of our children's beds and is easy to hang over any bed edge or end. 8. KUBBIS Rack with 7 hooks. By combining the different sizes, you can use the wall space in the best way and fit more hooks to hang your things on. Can be used anywhere in your home, even in damp indoor areas like the bathroom. 9. KOMPLEMENT Pull-out Pants Hanger. Say goodbye to piles of jeans and pants and say hello to this hanger that makes them easy to store and find. It pulls out, giving you an overview and convenient access to your pick of the day. 10. TROFAST Storage Combination with Boxes. Children need room to play, and good storage for toys like TROFAST, a series of sturdy wooden frames and lightweight plastic boxes that your child can easily slide out, carry, and put back again. 11. BROGRUND Corner Wall Shelf Unit. Clean, simple, and distinctive. With BROGRUND series offers a wide variety of accessories to create order out of chaos in a modern, fresh look. Details like hidden screws add to the clean design. 12. KUNGSFORS Hook. The clean shape means that you can hang several kitchen utensils on the same hook, so you can store them more efficiently and get more countertop space. Use the hooks to store your kitchenware on the wall and fit more into your cabinets and drawers. 13. VARIERA Flatware Tray. Do you also have to look around for the necessary cutlery and utensils to make the evening's dinner a reality? With this box you stay organized, while the bamboo adds a warm, natural feel to the kitchen. 14. FLISAT Book Display. This low book display allows your child to reach their books. It's also easier to choose since all the covers are visible. If the choice is still too hard, you can take it with you to the reading corner. 15. MOPPE Mini Storage Chest. MOPPE Mini Chest with drawers is a true classic with its many drawers and timeless style. It's also made of untreated wood that you can paint and decorate as you like, over and over again. 16. UTRUSTA Corner Base Cab Pull-out Fitting. Let the pots come to you. This corner-based cabinet pull-out fitting allows you to maximize kitchen storage space and easily see and reach all your stored items by pulling the fitting out of the cabinet. 17. FLISAT Toy Storage with Casters. FLISAT Toy Storage lets your child keep all their things in one place. And because it has wheels, it's all ready to roll into the next room at any time. Your entire home can be a playground. 18. KOMPLEMENT Multi-use Hanger. This multi-use hanger is perfect for showing off your collection of shawls or to keep belts and ties organized. It holds up to 18 different accessories without using more space than a regular hanger. 19. STUK Storage with 7 compartments. Takes little room to store as it holds flat. 20. BESTÅ TV unit with doors and drawers. It's not the only TV that's smart. BESTÅ TV units combine contemporary good looks with practical function. You get lots of storage space and relief from cables that tend to get messy and gather dust.